Alkaline, wife, kids, career, net worth and future unveiled. Yo, what's good? Welcome to a fiery deep dive into the life of Alkaline, Jamaica's dancehall trailblazer. Before we start, please smash that subscribe button and hit the bell to stay locked in for more artist profiles. Today, we're uncovering Alkaline's personal life, career highs, net worth, and what's next for the man himself. Let's dive in. Born Earlan Bartley on December 19, 1993, in Kingston, Jamaica, Alkaline grew up in a culturally rich environment, attending Ardenne High School and studying media and communication at the University of the West Indies. Known for his mysterious persona and hip-hop-infused dancehall style, he burst onto the scene in 2013, captivating youth with his bold lyrics and distinctive look, once sparking controversy with alleged eyeball tattoos, later revealed as a publicity stunt. Alkaline's personal life is closely guarded. As of 2025, there's no public confirmation of a wife or children. He focuses on his music, keeping romantic details private, which adds to his enigmatic Vendetta persona. His family includes parents Charmaine and Earl Bartley, who passed away in 2023, a loss Alkaline mourned publicly. His career is a dancehall cornerstone. Starting at 16, Alkaline released early tracks like Proof and Missing You, gaining traction with 2013 singles like 123 and Move Mountains. His debut album, New Level Unlocked, 2016, topped Billboard's Reggae Albums chart, spending 18 weeks, a rare feat. Top Prize, 2021, peaked at number 2, showcasing his lyrical depth. Hits like Stin, 2017, UK Silver certified with WSTRN, and recent 2025 releases like Heartscar and My Choice highlight his versatility. His New Rules Festival returned in 2025, with shows in London, April 17, Toronto, June 21, and Trelawney, Jamaica, July 5, featuring acts like Wild and WSTRN. A Boston performance on March 30 earned him a citation from Senator Liz Miranda for his cultural contributions. Alkaline's net worth is estimated at $1 to $5 million, driven by streaming, 853K monthly Spotify listeners, tours, and his Autobam label. His income reflects his independent success, though he's faced criticism from Vybz Kartel's Gaza fans. Looking ahead, Alkaline's 2025 momentum suggests more music and global tours. His refusal to collaborate with producer Russian and lyrical clashes with Popcorn and Squash show his competitive edge. He may expand his festival or mentor new artists, cementing his dancehall dominance. That's Alkaline's story. What's your favorite track? Drop it in the comments, and subscribe for more.